Hi colleagues, in this video I'm going to show how to transfer external data into CleanSoft. And the first step is I'm going to show you how to do data migration. And by data migration here I mean data from previous versions of CleanSoft being version 3.2 and below. And we are going to remind ourselves how to do backup using the earlier versions of CleanSoft. Here on my computer, I have the earlier version of CleanSoft. Let's open it. Log in using the username and password. So this is the earlier version of CleanSoft version 3.2. And now I need to do what is called backup. So there are two types of backup. So there is a backup of files, which is done under product, and then backup. So and here you can decide to select all the station you want to back up, all the station and all the elements, and then you specify the period you want to back up. Let's say this from this to this 2015, and automatically the file will take the period of the range of your file, and then you can specify where to save your file. So once you click OK, so once you click OK, and then the file will be backed very easily. Now let's assume you have this file, you have backed up it, and you've saved it here on the desktop in the folder here. So I have this folder with the backup from this year 2013 to 2015. So I want to transfer this data into CleanSoft. First you open it. Note that the backup files are in CSV format. That is very important. So any file to be imported into CleanSoft need to be into CSV format. This is how my files look like. So, and I'm going now to migrate this data into CleanSoft. So to do this, you need to launch CleanSoft. Log in using your username and password, and then go to data transfer menu icon, go to external data, and here select the data migration. So there are two types, as I said. So you can backup, do data migration from an SQL file. So this is to backup the previous data, the earlier versions of CleanSoft, the database of earlier versions of CleanSoft. So you back up the entire database. That this is an SQL file, or you can decide to back up the files. So this is what we are going to do. The second option, we are going to see how the second option works. So what you need to do is to select this second option, and then you browse to select the file. Come to your folder and select this file. You need to know that this is a CSV file. Open. So the system will check the file first of all if the file is in good shape. So give it a time. The system is checking, and then you will see the message here. If there is an error message, you will see it here. If the check succeeds, you will also see here. So the system is checking. Okay, so this is the message that say CleanSoft 3 backup converted to CleanSoft version 4 structure. So that means the system has converted that backup for the backup for version 3 into version 4 structure. So the system has converted the structure, and then the next step is to now to start, to migrate or to transfer your data into CleanSoft. So here you can decide to replace existing data for such for this period if they're already in the database, or if you don't have any data into the database, you can leave it. So if I check into my database, so this data, first of all, this data will go into the observation initial. So if I check my database, so under the observation initial table, this one, so this table is empty. So my data will come and sit in this table. So this is empty, but after migration, this table will be filled. We'll check as well. So that means you can start now to migrate your data. So as I said, if you want to replace existing data in the database, you can do this. But since our database is empty, we can leave it and then we start migrating the data by clicking on the start button. So the system now is transferring data from our file into the database. Very simple. So you just give it a time depending on the speed of your computer, so the migration will be done correctly. Give it some few seconds. So this also will depend with the amount of data you have in your backup file, and you have to make sure the stations containing in these files are already existing in the database. This is very important. So before you're doing data migration, you have to make sure your metadata is already existing in the database. So that means the stations and also the elements, so that the data will know where to sit. So as you can see here, the message, so this CleanSoft version 3 migration has completed. So that means the migration has completed. So the next step is to check. So this process is done by the administrator, and the administrator can first check via the database. As I said, this data goes into the observation initial table. If you check this table, try to refresh. Yeah, you can see now this table is now populated. And to check this using CleanSoft, so this you can close this one. And to check now this table, you can come here under the menu administration, update observation, check one of the station, maybe this one. So as I said, data goes from after migration, data goes into the observation initial. Check one parameter. So our data was from 2013 to 2015. Select view. As you can see, your data has been migrated successfully. So thank you so much for watching. And for more information, you can consult our user manual or our guides which are online. And you can also consult our help buttons. So if you click on any buttons, you will get more information on how to carry out such process.